Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am your physics teacher from Bahria Colleges PNET. Students, our previous and today's topic are interconnected. In previous class, we discussed about physical quantity and its type. The main target of our class is to understand unit and system of international unit. A unit of measurement is a definite magnitude of a quantity or unit used as a standard of measurement of same kind of quantity. These standard is set by scientists like standard of length. Standard of length is 1 meter is the length of path traveled by a light wave in a vacuum in a time interval of 1 upon 299,792,458 second. Nowadays, meter is a bar of platinum iridium alloy kept of International Bureau of Weight and Measure near Paris. Before 1960, all measurement in physics, even electric current, are related to the three fundamental quantities of length, mass, and time. Collection of set is called system. Before 1960, for scientific work, three systems of unit were used based on fundamental quantities of length, mass, and time. Name of the system were CGS system, MKS system, and FPS system. C stand for centimeter, G for gram, and S for second. In MKS system, M stand for meter, K for kilogram, and S for second. In FPS system, F stand for foot, P for pound, and S for second. This system is also called British engineering system. There were different problems faced by the scientists, like in the past different units were used by different people for measuring the same basic quantity. Using different units give rise to several problems, such as it is difficult to make comparison and foreign tourists may not understand the unit used in the countries they visit. Now it was seriously needed to have a common system for all over world. In 11th General Conference on Weight and Measurement held in Paris in 1960 adopted a worldwide system of measurement called System of International Unit. Important of the system is SI system is used all over world. Manipulation in this system is quite easy. The multiples and submultiples of different units are obtained simply by multiplying or dividing with 10 or power of 10. There are two types of unit, base unit and drive units. The unit that describe base quantities are called base units, and the unit used to measure drive quantities are called drive units. Drive unit obtained by multiplying or dividing one or more base unit with each other. Here is your home assignment. Allah Hafiz.